In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable quick actions when hovering over a video in Microsoft Edge. This is a small but really useful setting that can make browsing faster and easier, especially if you like quick controls right from the video itself. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tips and step-by-step guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge and click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. From there, go into Settings. Once you're inside the Settings area, look over to the left-hand side and click Appearance. This is where Edge keeps a lot of the visual and browsing options that change how the browser behaves on your screen. After that, scroll through the Appearance settings until you find the Context menu section. This area controls options related to right-click menus and video interactions inside the browser. Now look for the setting that says Show Quick Actions when hovering over videos. By default, this may be turned off, which means you won't see those handy quick controls when your mouse moves over a video. To turn it on, simply toggle the switch to the enabled position. Once it's active, Edge will start showing quick actions when you hover over videos, giving you easier access to controls without needing extra clicks. That's all there is to it. It only takes a few seconds, but it can make your browsing experience feel a lot more streamlined and convenient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Microsoft Edge tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.